today we have a 2008 Cadillac CTS. We'll be doing oil change. First thing you need is a 24mm socket, and we go right here to the left side and move the oil filter. So I reset the oil filter. Just gonna move the cap here, and basically instead of removing the whole cover, I'm gonna lift it up, just give myself a little room, and then we're just gonna pull it out in this direction towards the cover, and pretty much after that, we're gonna look at the vehicle and drain the oil. So now we're here under the vehicle. You're going to want to remove the splash guard, 4 number 10 bolts on both ends, and 2 plastic clips here. And then now the 15, we're going to remove the drain plug with the oil drain. Alright, so while that is draining, we're going to come over here to our oil filter. And the cap for the oil filter housing here, we're going to replace the O-ring here with a new one. And then get ready to install that once the oil is done draining. Okay guys, now we're now back on top after draining all the oil and reinstalling the splash guard. So now all I'm going to do here is I'll replace the O-ring. Actually needs to go further down, right down to here. Pop the oil filter on it. We're going to tighten that back on and then fill her up with 6 quarts and reset the oil, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. More videos to come.